Hello, good morning. Mark your attendance. Okay, now start the new topic of thinking green building smart. First, you all define the what is the green building. Anyone can define means what is green building. मतलब green building होता है क्या है? What is green building? This is the also known as the green construction and the sustainable building. Okay, this is the green building. So first you thinking green, then your building is the smart. Okay, this is the refer to the both structural and application of process. This is the green building. Where I think the both types. First one is the structure and second one is the sustainable. Okay, and this is the directly responsible to the environmentally and resource efficiently throughout a building's life cycle. Okay, this is the starting from the planning to design, construction, operation, maintenance, renovation, and demolition. So this is the green building. It depend on the six factor. There is seven factor. This is the planning to. First one is the depend on the planning. Second design. Third one is the construction. Fourth one is the operation. Fifth one is the maintenance. Sixth one renovation, and last one is demolition. You use the demolition. Demolition material is the used used material. Means the suppose your building is demolition due to the some problems. So you use the any types of structural part means brick, bricks, concrete parts. Okay, the reinforcement all are you reused in this any types of construction of building. This is the green construction and green building. Your thinking is green, then you convert in the green building. Okay, the decision depend on the seven factor. Okay, the first you what you do planning, how to make the green building. First you do the plan, then you design. This type of design useful for the smart green building. Okay, so this is the thinking green building smart. Then you Third step, follow the construction, then operation. The construction part is the start from the bottom work. Okay, foundation to roof. Then your operation. Operation means all type of buildings in use for the living purpose. Then your building is in the operational purpose. Okay, then maintenance. Every years maintain the, so suppose maintain the painting. Okay, the painting part is the maintenance of the building. And renovation. Renovation part is the how to modify the building. This is called renovation. And demolition is the final part. Is the demolition is the after not use the building, your building is the bust building. Okay, this is the demolition part. They requires close cooperation of the contractor, the architecture, the engineer, and the client of all project stages. The green building practice explain and complement the classical building design concerns of economy, utility, durability, and comfort. Okay, so this is the green building. Okay, then now why building? Green building, why? The building क्यों है green building? They use the used material in the used in the construction of building. So this is the green buildings. Then how much time do you spend inside? How much time you spend in the this building? Okay, this is your timing. In this, over 93% person has spent time in the green building. You see in the image, first in the office work, second image is showing the gym. Okay, third is the shopping mall, fourth image is the meetings room, see the television and the sleeping room. Okay, there's a never 93% people use the green building. And the focus in the all worldwide buildings. Okay, with the 20% of fresh water consumption. In buildings, 20% is the fresh water consumption and 25% of wood harvest and 33% of CO2 emission. Okay, this is the 33% CO2 emission. And and 30 to 40% of the energy used and 40 to 50% of the raw material used. Okay, we use the 30 to 40% of energy use means which type of energy used in the green building? This is the solar energy. Okay, this is the green building. And 40 to 50% raw material used means the in green building construction only 40 to 50% is the new material used. Based on the 50 to 60% use the reused material. Okay, so this is the worldwide buildings in the green building. The construction industry spent $0.5 trillion. The global out of 2009, 100 million employees. Okay, we see in the construction work in the from the green building work. In 40 to 50 to 60% use the new material, the reinforcement. One reinforcement part is the used in the green building as a new material such as reinforcement. Use the green building and the only 50 to 60%. What are the green buildings? As a philosophy, more effectively use of resources. Which type of resources use? Energy, water, timber, and building material. Which type of building material used in the green building? This is the green building is first is the demolition of concrete, and second is the best is bricks. Okay, these two types and also use the wood part. Also using the green building construction. Okay, what is your goal? What is the main purpose of the green building construction? और purpose क्या है? What is the purpose? What is the purpose of green building? How to view? Why you make the green buildings? The green buildings for save the environment and cost. Okay, the green building designed to reduce the overall impact of the built environment on human health. First of all, use the green building and save the environment. Environment saved, the human health is safe. Suppose environment is the dirty. Suppose air pollution increased. Okay, air pollution increased. Directly, air pollution increased. This type of is air quality index. Depend on the air quality. Air quality index. What is the air quality index? This is the show the visibility. Okay, visibility means 0 to 50. You vary 0 to 50 is the green zone. Is the AQI is the very good. But 50 to 120, 60 to 120, this is the moderate. Okay, so these are two type of the air quality index, the pollutants of air pollution. The first is the PM 2.5 and PM 10. The PM 10 is the very big particles, not settle the sprinkling of water on the ground. And 2.5 PM 2.5 is directly settled with the sprinkling of water. So this is the air quality index, air pollution. So your depend on the ecosystem and atmosphere environment due to the human activity. Human activity is directly responsible for the 8 types of creation of pollution. Okay, human activity such as you suppose humans smoke the cigarette smoking. Okay, cigarette smoking is the directly emit in the atmosphere. The smog is directly emitted in the atmosphere. Vehicles smoke. Okay, in the directly emitted atmosphere, this is called the primary air pollutant. So this is the environmental safe. The first your goal is save the environment. Then your environment safe, your human health is safe, ecosystem safe, in no any type of disease spread in the environment. Environmental diseases directly depend on the human activities. Human activity create the pollution, such type of land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, such type of pollution created from the human activities. Okay, so this is the green building save environment and cost. You make the green building, then you save the cost. Why you save the cost? The cost is because this is the you use the used material. Okay, after demolition you receive the main types of material. This is use the reused. You reuse the material, then you call this a green building. Okay, so you save the cost, environmental save. So this is called green building. Okay, any doubt? And is goal. What is your goal? Goal is reducing negative impact on human health. Negative impact on human health and the environment during the whole life cycle of building through ideal position and orientation, creative design and construction, use of sustainable materials, energy and water saving, building management system, building site and project management, recycling of materials. So this is the use the green buildings. Okay, the green building is save environment and cost. Okay. Any doubt? No. What is the market situation? Markets depend on the worldwide trends. Okay, means the energy crisis, public pressure, growing responsibility for corporate strategies. Gradually, change of precipitation brought mainly through international corporations, but also local companies. What is needed? Owners, users, developers, and investors more positively on energy efficient buildings. Legislative changes and market flexibility. Okay, this is the news of the 10 June 2011. Okay, and the European framework depend on the 2019 and 2021. All new public buildings seriously renovated, and all new building must be the green. Strategy 2020. Okay, 20% less emission of greenhouse gases compared to 1990 plus. Okay, and 20% less energy plus 20% energy from renewable sources. Okay, this is a prediction based on the current situation, only about 10%. Okay, and is the market development is Slovakia towards really sustainable construction and education of experts and public awareness, advantage and market possibilities. This is the depend on the experts. Okay, you not do educated, then public awareness is the decreasing and not in disadvantage. And supportive legislative changes, financial mechanism, international development and EPBD. Green Building Council. What is the Green Building Council? Anyone define what is the Green Building Council? So first you know about the what is the benefits for environment. You make the green building. Which type of benefits from the benefits of for the green building for the environment from the green building. So by reducing uses of energy resources that pollute the environment, such as coal, green building contribute to keeping the environment clean. In addition, by reducing the level of carbon oxide emitted to the atmosphere, they have to lessen and pace of climate change. Okay. Anyone? First your question? Why go green? What is a green building? Okay, and why go green? Benefits of green building, environmental benefits. Okay, so first you know about the green building. What is a green building? You this day and yes, you all are here, everyone talking about going green. Why you talking about the going green? Because whether you want to admit it or not, at some point, everyone will have to follow with the green movement. Everyone to follow with the green movement. Such that this is the because at the rate we are going, the earth is simply not sustainable. That means that over the year we will be to run out of certain natural resources that are needed for us to survive. Okay, indeed, that is alarming to some. Then this is the Green Building Council. This is the business driven. Okay. And for provide frameworks for business opportunity. This is the define of the green building rating systems, educate to inform. Okay. Okay, this is a grow the green building marketplace. Okay, provide fair of business opportunity, define of green building setting system, educate and inform. Okay, then you follow the then you follow the so this is the grow the green building marketplace, translate the value of government, environment. Okay, best GSD resources, energy supply, demand and security, the skill, jobs, new business opportunities. So this is the green building. Okay, so what is a green building? You all are thinking about the go green. Okay, whether you want to admit or not, at some point everyone will have follow with the green movement. Okay, this is because at the rate we are going, okay, going the Earth is simply not stable. Okay, that means the over the year we will begin to run out of certain natural resources that are needed for us to. Okay, then now, okay, then this is a GBC network 2 days. This is a 2007 established the GBC and emerging GBC, provide GBC and associate groups. In 2007, 26%, to 200 is 33, and 2009 is the 64% and 80 and 13 is the 82%, current 85%. Okay, is the you use the you first you what why go green, हम लोग ग्रीन के लिए क्यों जाते हैं? फर्स्ट why go green? Anyone define? Anyone can define? The new this is important to go green. So most people will find when going green that they are able to reduce their carbon footprint and actually lend as a helping hand to the environment. Okay, and you can go green in a variety of different ways. But builders and construction workers must do their part as well. Okay, if you have not begun going green, then you will find that there are a variety of different things that you can do help you, then you get started for the green building. Then you can actually take some babies step along the way. The green building design is such a way to reduce the overall impact of the environment and human health. Okay, the first you which type of reducing trash pollution and degradation of environment. Suppose 2007 to 26% reduce the in reduce the trash and pollution. Then 33%, 64%, 82%, 85%. Okay, this was the GVC network for today. Is the reduce the trash and pollution, reduction of environment. The second one is efficiently using energy, water, and other resources. Okay, use the water and other resources. Then for protection of urban health and improving productivity, thus going really cost. Okay, you will be able to save on energy cost because going green also means conserving energy. Okay, you should really look at the green buildings as more an investment that anytime sales, an investment that will be able to save you money. Okay, how do they benefit from the green buildings? How you benefit from the green building? Anyone? This is the use the adopt the new technology. Okay, with the new adopt technology constantly being development to the complement. Okay, the current practices in the creation greener. Okay, structure. The benefit of green building can range from environmental to economic to social. From environment to economic and economic to social. This is the brief benefits from the green building. Okay, then by adopting green practices, we can take the maximum advantage of environmental and economic performance. The green construction method, when integrated with the eco-friendly design and construction, provide the most significant benefits. And benefits of the green building include which type of benefits from the environmental benefits? What is the social responsibility? I would define it. Okay, economic sense. Reasons is political pressure. Second, social responsibility as economic sense. Okay. The first you which type of benefits? For environmental benefits, reduce wastage of water and energy. First you reduce, just already discussed, green building certified by the Indian Green Building Council IGBC. Okay. And the water saving of 20 to 30% and energy saving 40 to 50%. I discussed in the previous slides. Okay, and the compared to the conventional building in India, the green building achieved the Green Star certification in Australia have been shown to save 51% less potable water and produce 62% fewer greenhouse gas emission than if they had been built to meet minimum industry requirements. Okay, And the green building achieving the Green Star certification in South Africa have been showing the save between 20 to 30% potable water every year and save on average between 30 to 40% energy or the carbon emission every year and when compared to the industrial norms. Okay, so this is the then you use the conserves natural resources in the second point of environmental benefits. Okay, the building sector has the largest potential or for reducing greenhouse gas emissions significantly compared to other major emitting sector. Okay, this emission savings potential is the said to be as such much as 84 gigatons of CO2. Okay, GT2 by 2050 through direct measure in the building such as energy efficiency, fuel switching, and the use of renewable energy. The building sector has potential to make energy saving of 50% or more in 2050 in support of limiting global temperature rise to 2 degrees Celsius. And the third one is the environmental benefits improve air and water quality. So that the better indoor air quality that is low concentration of CO2 and pollutants and high ventilation rates can lead to improvement in the performance of up to 8%. Protect biodiversity and ecosystem. The game building supports ecosystem by promoting the efficient use of energy. Okay, you will protect the biodiversity and ecosystem. The green building supports ecosystem by promoting the efficient use of energy, water and other sources. Okay. Then if green building supports ecosystem by promoting efficient use of energy, water and other resources. Okay. And economic benefits. Now economic benefits reduce cost and increase value. First, you will increase the cost, decrease the cost, and increase the value. This building lower construction cost and higher property value for the building developers. Then, global energy efficiency measure could have estimated the amount the saving on energy spending. Okay. Then, you the improve equipment productivity, create a market for green product and service. Okay, this is under the environmental benefits. Then social benefits means improve the air, improve the quality of life under the social benefits. Okay, in green building, the quality of life is occupants is considered in design operation to improve occupant health and comfort. Okay, and the research suggested that the better indoor air quality, low concentration of CO2 and pollutants and high ventilation rates can lead to improvement in the performance of up to 8%. Workers in green, well-ventilated office record a 1,100% increase in cognitive scores, brain function, employees in offices with windows, and minimize strain on local infrastructure. Then green building work with local governments on utility to provide training and incentives for the green building and energy efficiency. Okay, they also offer the free classes probably from a technical training that minimize the sustainable local infrastructure. Okay, so this is the reason the society is considered toward environmental and people tenants, inhabitants and employees, and economic sense saving on utilities higher real estate value. The sustainable development is the society, health, communities, economic and viable economics. Okay, and then depend on the environmental nature environment. This is the sustainable development. This is which one is the green? The one is the green. All are the green. Okay, you see in the image. This is the all are the green. Use the buildings materials. Okay, or this one. This one. This is the very important. Okay, make the building in tree. Okay, this is the comprehensive views. Comprehensive views the energy saving, tied on the economic and the society and aesthetic aspects. Okay, this is the comprehensive view. Certificates equal to sustainable building level. For this type of image, in the image of the certificates givings. Okay, so this is the depend upon the social benefits. Okay, the goal of the green building. Now you should consider goal of green building. Of course, one of the main goals. Okay, is to make the earth more sustainable, but it really does go deeper than when you decide to go green. Your goal will be to actually help sustain the environment. Okay, sustain the environment without disrupting the natural habitat around it. Okay, suppose you start the building project. Okay, the example, suppose you start the building project, can you disturb the natural habitats around it? You can actually make an impact on the wildlife and the environment and will be much like a butterfly effects. Okay, and the second example, the smallest change that you can make will help promote better planet Earth and the better place for the all life is just as humans and also plants wildlife that take the up their edition the here on the earth as well. And then in order the energy users save money and make a big impact on the environment, you will find that it is not as hard as people make it out to be, and you will feel better about yourself when you go green too. Okay, so this is the today we are used to energy rating of the application. Okay,